This video is about planting butternut squash and how to protect your young plants from animals. This is my second time to plant butternut squash in this area because the first batch of butternut squash was eaten by the animals. So this time I make sure that the animals will not have access to the young plants. Now whenever the plants are bigger, the animals are not interested in eating them anymore. Now I'm going to show you what I did over there on the other side of this trellis in order to protect my young butternut squash seedlings. I have a couple of butternut squash plants on this side of the trellis, and as you can see I have some wire baskets. This is a very easy and cheap way of protecting your young plants from the animals that might want to come and munch on them while they're still small. And as usual, I mulched around the plant to keep the moisture in. I have my drip irrigation lines around it, so it will have enough supply of water. And then I use this $1.25 wire basket that I got from Dollar Tree. Now if you just lay the wire basket on top of the ground, the animals will knock it over, so put something heavy on top. In this case I put a piece of brick on top of the wire basket, and I did the same thing to this plant right here on this side, so that way the animals will not be able to access them. These are the spots that I picked for these two seedlings to be planted. I have amended the soil with an all-purpose organic slow-release fertilizer. So we're just gonna put this in here. We have some good root system, and then we're just gonna put our butternut squash seedling right here. For some reasons this year, the butternut squash seeds that I got are not that good. Germination rate is really low for my butternut squash. Okay, and then just gonna push in the ground a little bit there, and then we're gonna plant the other one. We'll do the same thing, put it here and add the dirt. Next step is mulching the plants. So these are pine shavings that I am using to mulch around the plant. I love using an organic mulch because it also decomposes into some nutrients. Now for now, the only purpose of this mulch is to keep the soil moist, protect the root system of the plants from the extreme heat of the summer. Just gonna have to add all of this here. Okay, and then we're going to water this. Before you water your plants, make sure to check the water. Make sure it's not very hot, especially right now. It's almost noon. I usually plant my seedlings in the afternoon, but I don't have time to work on this afternoon, so I had to do this now. I'm just gonna soak the area around the plant. You're not supposed to water the leaves of the plant, but if you do, it's not the end of the world. That is fine, especially that the sun is up. That won't just evaporate fast. And then I'm going to put this wire basket on top of it, and I'll put a piece of brick. I'm gonna do this to the second seedling, wire basket on top, and a piece of brick. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.